All right, so we'll be working on the page right after our color wheel. So flip it over. You'll need the same things that we had before. And what we're going to be doing today is 4 things. We're going to be mixing analogous colors, which is basically what we did before with the color wheel. What you do is, remember, analogous colors are colors that are next to each other. And they blend really well. So you can pick any, but what I want you to do down here is to label it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from yellow to yellow green to green to blue green to blue. You don't have to do that. You could go from yellow to yellow orange to orange to red. I mean, any analogous colors, that's up to you. So we're going to practice that. Here, a tint is a color plus white. And so what I would do is pick any one of these 4 colors, red, yellow, green, or blue, and start here. And this is going to be straight out of your container, and then slowly add more and more white until you get the lightest value you can. Here it's the opposite. We're going to do a shade. And so you take a color and you add black so it gets darker. Now what I would not do for that is blue, because blue is already so dark that it's going to be hard to get all the way across. You know, you might be almost black here. So I would use any of the other colors. It'll be a little bit easier to transition over to the darkest value. And remember, when you add black, that is the darkest. And so you need to add the tiniest bit each time you mix a new shade. And then a tone. That's going to be a color plus gray. So you're going to have to mix up black and white to make a gray. And then you're going to do just like we did with the tint and the shade. You're going to have a pure color here straight out of the container. And then you're slowly going to add more and more gray until you have a very gray color right here. Okay. Okay, now to mix a gray, remember, always go lighter first. So we're going to start with the white. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of black, and I'm shooting for a medium gray. Okay, I probably need a little bit more black. Okay, this last one's very subtle, but as long as you can slightly see a difference going all the way across, that'll be great. All right, and again, let that dry. It's still kind of wet, so make sure you let that dry before you shut your sketchbook.